We are going to take a look at a Northtech SRS-14 straight line rip saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Northtech SRS-14 straight line rip saw is powered by a 20 horsepower main motor. It has a 14-inch blade capacity and a 4.5-inch thickness capacity. The 2 horsepower feed motor will allow for feed speeds of 50 to 118 feet per minute. There are 2 top-mounted rows of kickback fingers. It has a 24-inch throat capacity to the right of the blade. The table measures 49.5 inches by 74 inches and is extremely heavy. This machine is currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase operation. This machine does have an automatic chain lubrication system.